24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Light, lighter, and lightest. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial, and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the concept of light, lighter, and lightest. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Inform them that they will be learning how to compare and identify them in size. Learning objectives: to enable the students to compare different levels of weight, to enable them to differentiate between light, lighter, and lightest, to enable them to understand the importance of the size as well as describing the weight of an object while also comparing the difference in weight. This measuring skill allows the students to compare the length of objects by placing them side by side. It also allows them to think how light or how much lighter. To move forward, follow these steps. 1. Have a set of items and a balance scale on a table. 2. Write the words light, lighter, and lightest, and the same as on the board. 3. Ask each child to choose 2 items to weigh and write a sentence using one of the phrases. For example, the balloon is lighter than the pencil, but the feather is the lightest. 4. Display the real objects from the class or use the flashcards of various objects. 5. Tell the students that we can identify objects by comparing their sizes using light, lighter, and lightest. Play a game following these steps. 1. Build a balancing scale with a hanger. 2. Materials required are plastic hanger, 2 paper or plastic cups, string or yarn, and a hole punch. 3. At the top of each cup, punch 2 holes on the opposite sides and string yarn through. Hang the cups on the hanger and place different items in the cup to see which one is heavier. 5. Take different objects, for example, buttons, paper clips, toothpicks, crayons, rubber bands, beads, sequins, nails, cotton swabs, bolts, yarn, marbles, soil, sticks, rocks, cotton balls, etc. 6. Distribute 3 containers in each group. Make 3 groups. 7. Place 3 labels of light, lighter, and lightest on the table. 8. Ask the students what kinds of materials they see in the containers. 9. Ask them what they notice about them. Tell them to place them correctly under each label. Ask the students to open their textbooks and mark the objects as light, lighter, and lightest. Reinforcement worksheet of light, lighter, and lightest objects can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.